How to access eResources. This is a short video to get you started using the LRC's eResources. There are three ways to access them. All start at the LRC information page on Canvas. They are LRC Catalog, Discovery and EResources List. We will look at each in turn. LRC Catalog. The LRC Catalog will tell you which ebooks we have access to. Once you have got to the search screen, click Advanced. This will take you to the Advanced Search. Go to the media type, use the drop-down, find and click eBook. This will search only ebooks that we have access to. Type in your search term and click Search. Your results appear in most recently published order. This can be changed by using the Display and the Sort By option on the right. Click on a title to bring up more details about it. Then use the README or the URL in the citation to access the ebook. This will bring up an Open Athens authentication page. Whenever you see this box, use the Find Your Organisation section, search for Middlesbrough College. When it appears in the drop-down, click on it and it will take you through to the platform. Use the Read Online or the Full Text option to access the ebook. Whilst we have different platforms for the ebooks, there are common functions in all, such as searching within the ebook and hyperlinking to specific chapters. There are text and video guides for all our eResources on our eResources Guides page. I will show you where that is later. Discovery. Discovery will search the LRC Catalog and our e-journals. Type your search term into the box and click Search. This may produce a research starter. A research starter is an overview of the topic. Use the limiters on the left-hand side to narrow your search. You can narrow to ebooks only if you are using Discovery to find ebooks. I will concentrate on the journal articles. Under Source Type, tick Academic Journals. This will rerun the search. Anything that has a green full text button we have access to. Results without the full text button, we have access to abstracts only. An abstract is an overview of the article. You may find that you get the information you need from this alone. To access the full text article, click on the green button. Remember to use the Find Your Organisation section if you are presented with the Open Athens login box. The third way to access is the eResources List. The eResources List page lists the platforms we have by resource type. They are abstracts, e-journals, e-books and specialised. There is a crossover with abstracts and e-journals because we have full text access to only part of the publisher's products. In the eResources guide, you will find the text and video guides for each of the eResources we have access to. We recommend using the LRC Catalog or Discovery as your starting point. If you need any help using the resources, please contact us at lrcinfo@embro.ac.uk. texting LRC then a space to 83123, or via the LRC Enquiries discussion board on Canvas. Thank you for your time.